All right, so you guys all see like Kickstarter videos and stuff like that. So
I'm not being a dick.
No, sorry.
He's being a dick.
So the idea is a Kickstarter video for this new business concept, or like this business people are starting. It's called Rent a Friend. So it's like, are your friends lame? Do they never want to hang out, do anything like go out, see a movie, go-kart racing? Well, Rent a Friend, they're up for anything, anytime. You want to go try LARPing, but your friends are too busy with their girlfriends? Your Rent a Friend doesn't give a fuck. He's down for whatever. Yeah. So basically, it's like a friend that you just rent to like hang out and do whatever the fuck you want. Yeah,
that your other friends won't do.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Your friends are like they like you want to go skydiving. Your friends are pussies. You're like, well, Rent a Friend's fucking. Let's fucking do it.
I could use like 7 of those.
Yeah, so like
start a comedy.
You're like, it's like, oh, yeah, you want to do
it'd probably be funnier.
You want to do a mud run, but all your friends they don't do that physical activity. You're fucking Rent a Friend. It's like, let's fucking do it, man. So be like, oh, we're developing the Rent a Friend app, so you can see like Rent a Friends in your area, and like it's somebody flipping through an app. It looks like it's like Tinder, but it's just like bros to hang out and stuff. Like.
It has like things that they're into, so you're like,
common interest.
Yeah, getting drunk and banging hot chicks.
Where like you have one of them like kind of like help you like bury a body or something like that.
It's actually a good idea in real life, though. You know.
I think that we should probably say, fuck the video and just actually do this.
Just start a business?
Start that business.
How many times do you want to do something?
Tell me you wouldn't be a Rent a Friend. No, let's just be Rent a Friend.
Yeah, I'd be a Rent a Friend. Fuck yeah.
100%.
Oh, I need another person for medieval time.
My interest.
Wait, are we gonna just do this?
Yeah.
Should we just do it? We should all quit our jobs and become Rent a Friend.
Yeah.
What if you get there and they don't want to have sex with you, but they want to watch you just drop some D in their girl's meat?
Hey, what's wrong with that?
Why can't you drop a D in someone's meat?
That is like Craigslist weirdo shit. Rent a Friend.
No, you
is
get that and you're like, hey,
good wholesome. Like,
whoa,
come play some Xbox.
Wait,
and then the girlfriend comes in.
That's a bro move though.
Tell me, okay, but tell me,
like your Rent a Friend.
Tell me you wouldn't. Tell me you wouldn't get paid to do that.
I'm a CEO here. I gotta represent the company, man. I gotta think for my employees.
I'm telling you,
you gotta test it out first so you know firsthand what we're doing.
Well, I mean, from a CEO, I'm gonna run it and I can do whatever the hell I want. Man. It's like,
So what would like the hourly rate be for Rent a Friend?
$15 an hour.
And you'd have to
$15 an hour?
And how much?
Anything?
You shitty.
Wait a minute.
To hang out.
You're not the CEO.
You're going to ride a roller coaster.
Wait a minute. Does that cover expenses as well?
No,
or is it $15 an hour?
The hiree pays for like your movie tickets.
Okay. Plus $15 an hour?
Yeah.
And there's gotta be reviews on each dude.
I think you
like,
get paid.
Willing to go the distance.
I think you get paid.
Like, I can tip this guy.
Yeah.
He's gonna fuck my wife.
Yeah.
Right.
You know?
Wait, why did...
Because if you get there and they're like, hey, I just want to play some Ultimate Frisbee. And
No,
then maybe you knock around my wife for a little bit. And you're like, what was that last one? And you're like, I just Ultimate Frisbee, drop some DMRSV. For $15 an hour, sign me up, brother.
The Rent a Friend's really gonna get like $10 an hour. The $15, the $5 is our overhead.
I'm just gonna punch you in the face.
No, that's how a temping works.
I'm a Rent a Friend.
Yeah, at first, but then once we get more clients, I mean, more people. You're gonna be, you'll have initials. I don't know what that is.
I'm not gonna be CEO.
You'll it's my idea.
It almost sounds like you'll
get stock options.
Next is gonna be like you get someone to sign up and they give you $5, and then someone else signs up.
Now it's a pyramid scheme. Okay, let's just sign up for Verve, everyone.
Do you guys know anything about making apps?
I don't know. I'd be down to LARP.
Bob?
I can make the shit out of some buffalo wings.
Just not an app. That's like an appetizer.
That'll go in your profile.
Yeah.
That's an appetizer.
I love that for his apps.
Don't do that.
Why, DJ? What does that remind you of?
Well, do we have to interview people? We're gonna have to interview people.
Absolutely, man. You gotta interview.
Screening process.
You gotta make sure you put on a quality product. You're not gonna just like, hey, what's up, my bro?
No, we're
I
kinda like
9 Inch Nails. Well, thanks, man. My other buddy Flake, and now my Rent a Friend's flaking on me. Now I'm gonna blow my brains out.
Oh, there's got to be a no flake policy. Like even if it's
no flake zone.
Even if it's like, yo, I'm going to this Creed and Daughtry concert. You gotta come.
Yeah.
And you're like, oh, but I don't.
That just offended a lot of people.
What does that remind you of?
Thanks. Opening a beer or opening a wine bottle.
Opening a wine bottle.
Does that ever remind you of?
Yeah, sure.
I am a classic.
Take a freshie.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, another one's a little good.
No, like, come
Please.
That's a nice
beer.
position
They
you
got
stopped on.
beers up there.
Stairs there.